Hi guys, today we're going to make a 3D star. This is technically considered kirigami, not origami, because it will involve a cut. So the first thing you need is a square sheet of paper. I just took a sheet of computer paper from home, cut it into a square, and once I have it laying here, I'm going to take the bottom and I'm going to fold it up so that the bottom touches the top. So I have my crease down here, my flaps at the top. Now I'm going to take this bottom right corner. I'm going to fold it so that it's going to land halfway along this side. So it's halfway between. I'm going to do a nice sharp fold and crease it up. Now you'll see you have a line right here from your fold. I'm going to take this bottom flap and I'm going to fold it directly over that line, and then again have a nice sharp crease. Now you'll have edges of paper here and here. I'm going to take this part now and I'm going to fold it over so that it reaches this side. Again, a nice sharp crease. If you need to watch this several times to get it, that's okay. It's a little tricky at first. Now you have almost like an ice cream cone. And so I have an edge of paper right here from folding, and you should have one too. And that's going to kind of be the edge of our cone. So I'm going to put a little dot inside that, and then where that edge of paper is, I'm going to go to the bottom, and halfway between, I'm going to make another mark. I'm going to draw a dashed line connecting those two. That will be the line that we are then going to cut on. Now, when I open it up, I'm going to have a star. Now you might say your star might not be perfectly even, that's okay. And you may say, well, it's kind of flopping around, it's not quite 3D yet. That is because we are going to draw we're going to actually fold it more to make it 3D. So I'm going to take each of the long folds. So you'll have short folds in each of kind of the corners, and then long folds that go out to the points of your stars. I'm going to fold it on each of the long points down like so. And then I'm going to fold each of the short points up so that they're all going the same direction. All right, now your star will kind of sit up a little bit like so. So it'll kind of, if each point is touching, it'll be 3D, it'll pop out. So now I'm going to take a second sheet of paper that I cut to the same size of square as the first one. I am just using a lined sheet of paper that I have at home. If you have colored paper, that's fine. If you have computer paper and you want to draw a design on it, that's fine. If you have lined paper, that's fine. I'm going to do a design on here and I will get back to you. All right, so now I have my background colored. You can see your star will fit on there beautifully. I am going to add just a little bit of detail to my star next. I'm actually going to outline those fold lines just to make them stand out, and then add a little bit of border. Again, this is optional. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. There we have it. The very last step is connecting the two, and so I'm just going to recrease these really quick to make it stand up again. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a dot of glue on each corner on the back of my star. Press down each one. And now you will have an awesome, you can tell from the side, three-dimensional star that pops out of your paper. And like I said, you can be as creative as you want. Do the background, different paper, different colors. You can decorate the star. It's completely up to you. Hope you had fun.